Hello everyone and welcome to this Rapid Global tutorial session. My name is Melissa Brown and I'll be your instructor for today. Today we're going to talk about how to log in and add an induction key to your account and also how to create a brand new account. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I've recently received an email telling me that I need to complete an induction, and in that email was an induction key and now I need to add that to my account. So the first thing I'm going to do is log in by typing in my email address. And click Next. And as you can see here, it's asking me for my MyRapid password. Now this means that I have an existing account and I need to enter in the password that I created myself. And click Login. Excellent, so now I'm in my MyRapid portal and I want to add that induction key to my account. So I'm going to come over to the left hand side and I'm going to click Rapid Induct. Now this is a section where I can do all of my trainings. Now you can see I have a previous training here and I'm going to add a new one now. So I'm going to click on Add Induction Key. And I'm going to enter that key that I received in the email in capital letters. And then I'm going to enter in my last name. Great. And now you can see that I have both of my inductions in my account, and here's my brand new one. Now all I need to do is click Enter and complete that induction. So now we've seen how to add an induction key to an existing account. Let's learn how to create a new account. So I'm going to log out of my own account. Okay, so now I'm going to create an account for the first time. So again, I've received an induction key in an email, but I've never had a Rapid Global account, so I'm going to go ahead and create my account. So the first thing I'm going to do is enter in my email address. Now you can also use a mobile number if you don't have an email address to create your account. And then click Next. And as you can see, it's asked me to enter in my induction key. Now, if I see this page, this means I don't have an existing account and I'm going to have to enter in that induction key that I received to create my account. So let's do that now. Now I'm going to enter this induction key in capital letters. And then I'm going to enter in my last name. And hit Next. Great. So now it's asked me to create my MyRapid account. So I'm going to do that now. Now I don't have to enter in that mobile number. That's optional. If I wish to, I can. So here I'm going to create my MyRapid password. Now this is going to be the password that I use to log in from now on. So it's going to be something that I remember. It has to be at least 8 digits long. It has to have a number in there and at least one capital letter. So let's create that now. And click Create Account. Great, now it sent a code to my email that I'm going to get and enter in here. So let's grab that. So I've got that code from my email and now I'm going to enter it in. And click Verify. And that's it. I've now created my own account, and as you can see, my training is awaiting here for me. Now the next time I receive an induction key, all I have to do is log in with the password that I created myself and then click here to add that new induction key. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on a Rapid Global tutorial session.